Welcome to the enchanting Miyajima Aquarium, a hidden gem nested within the breathtaking scenery of Japan's Seto Inland Sea. Here, amid stunning vistas, we invite you to explore not only the vibrant and diverse marine life that flourish in these waters, but also the aquarium's vital mission of conservation and education. As we embark on this captivating journey, we will delve into the wonders of the ocean. From the colorful schools of fish darting through coral reefs to the graceful movements of sea lions and the intricate ecosystems that sustains them. Each exhibit tells a story, revealing the delicate balance of life beneath the waves and the pressing needs to protect these aquatic environments. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the sea. Learn about the crucial roles these creatures play in our ecosystem, and understand the important messages of stewardship and awareness that Miyajima Aquarium passionately advocates. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of marine life and the efforts to preserve it for generations to come. The Seto Inland Sea, a stunning body of water tucked between the islands of Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu in Japan, is renowned for its extraordinary marine biodiversity, boasting over 3,000 species of plants and animals. This rich and varied ecosystem serves as a sanctuary for wildlife and essential research for local communities, sustaining fisheries that uphold livelihoods, promoting tourism that boosts the regional economy, and provide invaluable opportunities for scientific research and conservation efforts. However, like many marine environments worldwide, the Seto Inland Sea faces significant threats. Pollution from industrial runoff, agricultural practices, and urban development has begun to compromise water quality, while climate change is causing shifts in marine habitats and species distributions. Additionally, overfishing has placed immense pressure on fish populations, disrupting the delicate balance of this vibrant ecosystem. In response to these pressing challenges, the Miyajima Aquarium was established in 2002 with a dual mission: to raise awareness about the environmental issues facing the Seto Inland Sea and to celebrate the incredible diversity of life that thrives beneath its surface. The aquarium serves as a vital educational resource, offering visitors a chance to explore the wonders of marine life while fostering a sense of stewardship for the ocean. The Seto Inland Sea is not just a local treasure, it is a microcosm of the world's oceans, reflecting the beauty and fragility of marine ecosystems everywhere. It is essential that we inform and engage the public about its rich biodiversity and the myriad threats it confronts. By visiting the Miyajima Aquarium, guests can immerse themselves in interactive exhibits and informative programs that highlight the importance of marine conservation and the actions we can take to protect these invaluable ecosystems for the future generations. Together, we can make a difference in preserving the delicate balance of life in Seto Inland Sea and beyond. One of the highlights of my visit to Miyajima Aquarium was the exhilarating live sea lion show. I was captivated by these playful marine mammals whose remarkable intelligence and agility left me in awe. Under the expert guidance of dedicated trainers, the sea lions showcased a range of impressive tricks that not only highlighted their extraordinary capabilities also offered fascinating insights in their behaviors in their natural environments.
隣にいるオタリアという種類のアシカで名前をヨネと言います。皆さんどうぞよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。さあ、ヨネちゃんですね、出てきたばっかりなので、まずは準備体操からしていこうと思います。よかったらですね、皆さんも一緒に準備体操やってみてください。さあ、まずはですね、手首の運動からです。片っぽずつ手首ブラブラ振っていきます。皆さんどちらかの手を上げてみてください。はーい。ありがとうございます。それではしっかり振っていきましょう。せーの。ブラブラブラブラブラブラ。いい感じです。ありがとうございます。じゃあこの調子で反対もいきますよ。せーの。ブラブラブラブラブラブラ。とてもいい感じですね。ありがとうございます。さあ、ではですね、手首の運動ができたので、次は腰です。腰に手を当てて、さあ、左右交互にですね、しっかりと腰ひねっていきましょう。せーの、ひねる。反対もひねる。さあ、もう一回ひねる。さあ、最後もう一回ひねる。はい、しっかりと腰もひねることできます。
I learned that the sea lions are inherently social creatures known for their playful interaction and strong bonds. During the show, I witnessed firsthand the unique personalities of these animals as they engage in various activities, from impressive leaps and spins to intricate balancing acts. Each performance was not just entertaining, it served a deeper educational purpose. The show aimed to raise awareness about the natural habitats of sea lions and emphasize the importance of conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures and their ecosystems. By showcasing their natural behavior and the challenges they face in the wild, I felt inspired to appreciate and advocate for the preservation of marine life. This engaging experience left me with a greater understanding of the vital role that the sea lion plays in the marine ecosystem and the urgent need to ensure their survival. Miyajima Aquarium is a captivating sanctuary that showcases a diverse range of aquatic creatures, each contributing to the intricate balance of our marine ecosystems. Among the inhabitants, you'll find the intriguing Japanese pond turtle, known for its serene presence and adaptability in fresh habitats. This species plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of its ecosystem by controlling aquatic vegetation and serving as a food source for various predators. Another remarkable resident is the Japanese horseshoe crab, an ancient marvel of evolution. With its unique physiology and ecological significance, this creature helps sustain the health of coastal ecosystems. Its role in the food web is vital, as it provides nourishment for migratory birds and various marine animals. As you explore the aquarium, you'll also encounter the graceful manta ray, a gentle giant of the ocean. Known for their intelligent and social behavior, manta rays plays an essential role in the marine environment by helping to regulate the population of plankton and small fish, thus maintaining the balance of the ocean's ecosystem. Don't miss the vibrant lionfish, known for its stunning appearance and striking coloration. While captivating to behold, lionfish are also an invasive species in many regions, serving as a reminder of the delicate, interconnected life and the challenges posed by human activity. By displaying these incredible species, Miyajima Aquarium aims to inspire visitors to develop a deeper appreciation for the ocean's inhabitants and the vital roles they play. Dolphins are frequently celebrated as the main attraction in any aquarium, and at Miyajima, they undeniably fulfill this esteemed role. These remarkable creatures captivate the audiences with their playful antics and impressive abilities, effortlessly enchanting visitors who gather to witness their performances. Whether joyfully tossing balls back and forth or executing intricate tricks, the dolphins at Miyajima leave onlookers spellbound, showcasing their extraordinary intelligence and social nature. These marine mammals are not only known for their playful spirit but also for their advanced cognitive abilities. Dolphins possess a sophisticated level of awareness and emotional intelligence, allowing them to engage deeply with their trainers and the environment around them. At Miyajima, trainers employ a method of positive reinforcement, which emphasizes encouragement rather than punishment. This approach fosters a strong bond of trust between the trainers and the dolphins, enhancing the creatures' natural behaviors and allowing them to shine in their performances. Visitors are often treated to a captivating display of synchronized swimming, acrobatics, and even the occasional splash of water, which adds to the excitement of the experience. The trainer's dedication to nurturing these intelligent beings not only promotes their well-being but also enriches the educational aspect of the shows, as spectators gain insights into dolphin behavior and communication. Overall, the dolphins at Miyajima are not just stars, they are ambassadors of their species, showcasing the beauty of marine life and the importance of conservation efforts. The Oyster Aquarium at Miyajima offers a captivating glimpse into the vital role that these remarkable bivalve mollusks plays in our marine ecosystems. Oysters are not merely a culinary delicacy, they are keystone species that significantly contribute to the health and balance of aquatic environments. As a natural filters, oysters plays an essential part in maintaining water quality. They filter out pollutants, excess nutrients, and sediments from the water, which helps create a clearer and healthier habitat for a diverse array of marine life. In fact, a single oyster can filter up 50 gallons of water per day, underscoring their impressive capabilities to enhance the quality of their surroundings. Beyond their filtering capabilities, oysters serve a crucial ecosystem engineers. Their complex structures provide habitats and shelter for numerous marine species, ranging from fish to invertebrates. These oyster reefs create a diverse microhabitat that encourages biodiversity, supporting various life forms that rely on these structures for survival and reproduction. The conservation of oyster population is therefore essential for overall health of marine ecosystems. The decline in oyster numbers due to overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction poses a significant threat not only to their species but also to the intricate web of life that depends on them. By protecting and restoring oyster habitats, we can ensure the stability and resilience of marine environments, fostering healthier oceans. The Oyster Aquarium at Miyajima not only highlights the beauty and uniqueness of these bivalves, but also underscores their crucial ecological functions. By understanding and appreciating the significance of oysters, we can advocate their conservation and promote the health of our planet's vital marine ecosystems. The aquarium experience highlights the enchanting beauty and ecological significance of jellyfish and various fish species. Jellyfish, known for their delicate flowing bodies and mesmerizing movements, play a crucial role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey. The aquarium enhances their allure with captivating light displays that showcase their bioluminescence, creating a surreal atmosphere for visitors. As guests explore, they encounter a vibrant array of colorful fish, such as schooling bannerfish and the patterned Idotropheus, which contribute to the rich biodiversity of marine life. Color serves essential functions for these species, aiding in camouflage, mate attraction, and warning signals against predators. The health of coral reefs, likened to the rainforest of the sea, is vital for sustaining this diverse marine life, providing habitat and resources. Among the aquarium's highlights are the clownfish, known for their striking orange color and symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. This mutualism not only protects the clownfish from predators but also benefits the anemones. The aquarium aims to educate visitors about the importance of coral reefs and the threats they face, encouraging a deeper appreciation for marine ecosystems and inspiring efforts to protect them. Through interactive exhibits, guests learn about the challenges of climate change and pollution, fostering a sense of responsibility for the preservation of ocean life. In a peaceful corner of the aquarium, we discover a stunning display dedicated to the mesmerizing beauty of koi carp. These nishi-igoi, celebrated in Japanese culture as a symbol of perseverance and strength, gracefully glide through the water, their vibrant colors and intricate patterns creating a captivating visual spectacle. This serene ambience they create enhances the overall experience of the aquarium, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. Watching these koi swim is a profoundly calming experience. Their gentle movements and the rhythmic ripples they create in the water remind us of the tranquility and beauty that nature can offer. Each koi seems to embody a story of resilience, gracefully navigating the water, a living testament to the virtues they represent. In addition to the serene koi pond, I had the opportunity to immerse my hands in a special tank inhabited by Gara rufa fish, often referred to as Dr. Fish. These small yet fascinating creatures are known for their unique behavior of nibbling away dead skin, providing a natural exfoliating treatment. As I felt the gentle tickles of the fish on my skin, I was struck by the delightful contrast between the serene koi and the playful, therapeutic nature of the Gara rufa. This interactive experience not only added to the allure of the aquarium, but also served as a reminder of the diverse ways in which nature can engage and rejuvenate us. After my visit to the aquarium, where I marveled at the vibrant marine life and fascinating exhibits, I decided to indulge my palate by taking a leisurely stroll to a local eatery renowned for its grilled oysters. As I entered the establishment, the enticing aroma of grilled seafood enveloped me, igniting my anticipation for the culinary delight that awaited. I ordered their famed grilled oysters, prepared with a delectable butter soy sauce that promised to enhance the natural brininess of the shellfish. When the dish arrived, I was immediately struck by the impressive size of the oysters. They were plump and glistening, a testament to their freshness. As I took my first bite, the tender meat melted in my mouth, bursting with flavor. The rich, savory notes of the butter soy sauce complemented the oysters perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of taste that danced on my palate. I found the sauce so irresistible that I couldn't resist drinking it and savoring every aspect. Each sip was a celebration of umami, leaving me in a state of bliss. My recent trip to Miyajima Aquarium was a transformative experience that greatly enhanced my well-being. Upon entering, I immediately felt the stresses of everyday life fade away, largely due to engaging sea lion show. Watching these playful animals interact with their trainers was a delightful reminder of the joy found in simple moments and the healing power of laughter. The dolphin exhibit was the highlight of my visit. Seeing these graceful creatures swim effortlessly was incredibly calming, and their playful interactions with their trainers underscored the importance of nurturing our own relationships. This reflection deepened my appreciation for the connections we can form with the world around us. In addition to entertainment, the aquarium provides valuable educational insights, particularly about the vital role oysters plays in marine biodiversity. This knowledge prompted me to consider the impact of human activities on the ocean health and inspired me to advocate for sustainable practices in my daily life. Overall, my visit blended relaxation with education, reminding me of nature's beauty and the need for its protection. I felt feeling refreshed and motivated to engage more activity in environmental conservation and to embrace the small joys in life, as exemplified by the sea lions and dolphins. Miyajima Aquarium is more than just a display of marine life. It serves as a crucial reminder of our collective responsibility to protect our oceans. By fostering a connection with nature, it inspires us to engage in conservation efforts and promotes awareness of the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. As we conclude this exploration of Miyajima Aquarium, I hope it has ignited a sense of wonder and a commitment to appreciating and protecting marine biodiversity. Let us all take part in caring of our planet, whether through conservation efforts, sustainable choices, or spreading awareness. Until next time, continue to explore, learn, and cherish the beauty of our world.